Yeah, hello. This is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory. Okay? Bringing this to you about Forex. Yeah, many people do ask me about things that looks like, hey, what exactly is Forex? You know? What exactly is Forex? But still, the next question they seem to ask you is, how much can I how much can I make in a month? You know? This question do make me laugh. Like, is that really the next question to ask? Like nobody really want to ask about how do you do forex? How do you do forex? What exactly is the procedure and the way it's been done? Nobody is asking such type of question, but you will hear something like, how much can I make in a month? Or there's nobody ever even asking, how much can I put to make XYZ in a month? Okay, now let us go to the reason why we have been here. What is Forex? Okay? To me, I say, the way it's been explained, Forex is just the buying and selling of different countries' currencies. Like you are buying, you are trading one country currency against the other. That is Forex. And I believe everybody is participating in Forex, whether directly or indirectly. When you want to travel abroad, you go buy your ticket. Okay? While you going, you take your money, you change it to dollar in the airport. Okay? So as you have changed your money to dollar in your own local currency, and you get to the country of your destination, you change that money to the currency of the your destination country. That is what is called Forex. You have done Forex. Okay? But then now, we are talking of doing Forex online, where you're going to sit in front of your computer and you are going to be the boss of yourself. You are the boss of yourself. What does that mean? That simply takes me to another definition of Forex. Like, it is just like having your own bank on your hand, having your own finance on your hand. It's like saving your own money inside your Forex account in order to expect certain percentage of profit, which means your money is growing. You put your money in your own personal bank and your money is growing. That is what it is. The third definition, I'm going to call it, it is the smartest definition. It is like you have sent your money to go and work for you. You sent your money to go and bring you extra percentage. That is what Forex is. And I believe you. Believe me. The last definition of Forex, which I said, sending your own money to go and work for you to bring extra percentage. If that makes sense to you, that is exactly the reason why a lot of people want to do Forex. They want to send their money to go and bring extra money. They want to send their money to go and bring percentage of profit to them. This is exactly the reason why people want to do Forex. Okay? Now, how to do Forex? This is another question that people don't even ask. What exactly is the procedure involved in doing Forex? Oh, if people gonna simply tell you, they will say, okay, just open the Forex account, put your money in there, start trading. When its chart is going up, you buy. When it's going down, you sell. That is it. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, come on, bro. This is exactly the temptation that took a lot of people into Forex, where they paint a picture of oh, is that so? When it goes up, I buy. When it goes down, I sell. Just looking at the chart. Oh, I can do it. It's very simple. You see, this is exactly the temptation that took a lot of people blindly into Forex. That when you take that information, you open a Forex account, you put your hard-earned currency, hard-earned money there. You came in, you sat down in front of your screen. The chart is going up, you bought. When it's going down, you sell. You've made couple of money, couple of dollars, because you have followed it while it was, maybe going up in your favor, going down in your favor. But nobody ever will tell you that, bro, hey, the chart is going to get to a time it's going to be going sideways. It's going to be choppy, and you're going to start losing that money you have made. The procedure of doing Forex is not when you go in so blind. When you take a blind mindset to go into Forex, you are not going to last. You understand? You are not going to last. What you need before you go into Forex is you need a goggle eye. You need a goggle eye. A goggle eye that will always detect, what am I to do? Am I supposed to take action now or not? Am I supposed to jump in or not? Am I supposed to take advantage of that thing I'm looking at in front of my chart or not? Your goggle eye must be able to tell you to either take action or wait. Now, when I say wait, waiting is what a lot of Forex traders, they hate to do. They don't like to wait. And that wait is the waiting period which determines your patience. Because a lot of us Forex traders, all we think is, okay, make the money, man. Make the money, man. Now, nobody want to wait. Now, then you lost one part of being disciplined, which is patience. Now, patience is absent in your Forex. That means failure. When patience is absent in your Forex, that means failure. You are going to fail because you didn't respect the rule of waiting. There must be the rule of waiting. These are the procedure of doing Forex that I'm telling you now. If you get the pen, write it down. Nobody will explain to you that, bro, there are times you need to wait. It is not every time you catch the best fish in the ocean. There are times you need to wait for it. Wait for it and let it come and meet you. Wait. You know? You got to learn how to let the market itself, how to breathe. If the market does not breathe, then you throw your money into the ocean. Okay, it's like you just like that boy that wants to go and jump above a high mountain. You know what it is? That you're gonna hit your stomach on the mountain, you're gonna crash, and you're gonna be like, you will end up in the hospital sleeping on the bed, with your broken head. Maybe your head is broken. The doctor is trying to fix for you. It's same when you don't know how to wait in Forex, that you just see every opportunity you see, you want to take it. Yeah, you're going to blow your account. When you blow one or two Forex account, your eye is going to be red. Nobody is going to tell you to quit. You are the one who tell yourself, man, my friend, it's time to quit. You see? And when you quit, you fail. You are a failure, man, because you quit. You are a failure, man. You cannot fight the battle of Forex. You are a failure. Because of what? Because you got one thing missing. Waiting. You cannot wait. You cannot wait for just one day that the market will form itself. You want to take all the opportunity you see because you won yesterday. You want to win today. You cannot use today to wait. Exercise little patience. You are not going nowhere, bro. You are not going nowhere, bro, because you cannot wait. You are greedy. That brings greed. When you cannot wait in Forex, check yourself. There is greed battling with you. Greed is sitting beside you like a twin brother or a twin sister, Greed is your best friend. This is why you cannot wait. And that is why your Forex will never go anywhere. Okay? Do that for 10 years and tell me, where are you? A lot of people, we started together in this Forex shit, making YouTube videos, talking about Forex, but many of them are nowhere to be found now. And those are the people that they preach it simplicity. You can double your account tomorrow. They will bring one boy. Hey, the 16-year-old boy just turned $200 to $10,000 in 2 months. They will bring one boy from somewhere, I don't know. They will interview him. You'll be like, ooh, am I doing something wrong? Am I a fool, or am I look at the 16-year-old boy? And when you look properly, my brother, my sister, that boy is not 16 years, man. When you go do your dig findings analysis about that boy, you see that, man, that boy has not turned, he has not turned $200 to $10,000, my friend. Those are the people that they are nowhere to be found anymore in the Forex industry, my friend. Why? Because when you set up your own Forex on the wrong foundation, then you will never rise up. Even you rising up on the wrong foundation, you're going to crash and you will have no base to land upon, because you have built a foundation on a rusticated base. So when you find your way and climb to the top, through crooked means when you crash, you are crashing on your rusticated base, and you're gonna crash and crash and tear into pieces. You know why? Because your base is not strong. You know what a strong base is in the Forex? I talk about your goggle. Everything that determines your journey when you started in the Forex, everything will become a shield around you when you get to the top. Okay? All those things that you are seeing when you got started by yourself, like you see things that looks like you have blown $1,000 in one day, you have blown $1,000 in 1 hour, you have gone to look for money again, you put $200 because of fear, and that fear, within 2 minutes, you blew You blew that $200 within 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, maybe somebody now advise you. Somebody advise you that okay, maybe robot is the solution. Then you went to buy some kind of robot. You put the robot in there. You put a kind of, let's say, okay, because that is robot. You put $2,000 there, trusting the robot, and under 30 minutes, this robot swallow your money. It did like this, and this robot is telling you in front of your screen, hey, you don't have money, put more money. Or you have done it in a way that you now believe in your own confidence that yeah, you want to trade by yourself. You have trade, you trade one, you win. You trade two, you lost. You trade 10, you lost. Out of the old 10 trades you have taken for the month, you have lost 9, and you have only $0.2 remaining. That your broker just look at you like, oh, let's pity him. Let's pity him. He's a reckless trader, man. But we don't want him to go away. Out of the $2,000 deposit, leave him with $0.02 so that he can deposit again. Are you getting the mindset? Because I'm teaching you some kind of mindset here now. When you have gone through all those kind of things, those things are your foundation that really makes you on a solid foundation, because what that is doing to you is it is giving you the knowledge of how to find out the reason why you are losing. And what is the reason why you won? When you find out the reason why you are losing, you want to take it step by step and take it and throw them away and bring out the reason why you are winning. Is the only thing you want to have. To many people and to me, the reason why I was losing those days is because I was listening to other people who don't even know anything. Too much noise. Everybody want to talk about Forex. Even somebody that just woke up from the nightclub with the mouth oozing of alcohol, who don't have eyes to see the chart clearly, is going to talk about Forex and give people wrong information. The day I stopped listening to those things is the day my own Forex changed. Oh, but man, it was not easy. You will fight. Your mind will fight. Your mind will fight a battle to separate yourself from those things. You know why it's going to fight? It becomes a fight between you and your mind. Because why? That is what the environment is circulating. So you are also inside that environment. How can you now fight? But it will take your mind to fight and separate you from listening to those things, those negative lying energies surrounding you that they are pushing out. They push out things that will distract you from what your own mind is telling you. Now, the reason why some people can never make it in Forex and make it in Forex is because they are listening to noise, looking at some things that looks like so shiny. Somebody flashing money, somebody spraying money, throwing money up and down, and people think, oh, that is real. Go and do your diggings. You see, that is fake. Patience and discipline is what you need in Forex. When we talk of patience, what patience is going to do for you is that patience is going to skyrocket you to a point where you'll be winning consistently That is what patience is going to do for you. Okay? Good. Now, let's now talk about exactly what is needed to be a good Forex trader, a profitable Forex trader, a consistently profiting Forex trader. Now, let me tell you. Number one, there are different ways you're going to be profitable in Forex. It's either you go through the long journey the hard way, okay? Putting your money in there, trading by yourself and losing it, blowing account every day and looking for one excuse. Yes, those days. Whenever we lose, we look for one excuse. We might say, oh, my broker has fluctuated the chart, my broker has done this. It's a lie. Your broker has not done nothing. Losing and never taking responsibility of your loss, that is never going to take you anywhere in Forex. Okay? Because, many of us, sorry to say, many of us, naturally, the way we are wired, we are too egoistic, so self-centered. We don't know how to accept our failures and take responsibility. Now, if you are that type of human being and you bring that approach into Forex, I bet you will never go anywhere. That is egoistic behavior. It will take you nowhere. That behavior is a narcissist behavior. You cannot take a narcissist behavior into Forex and expect to be successful. You can never go nowhere. Forex and pride does not go together. Forex needs humility. It doesn't go with pride. You can never be proud and be successful in Forex. It's a lie. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that coming into Forex, first of all, work on your mindset, remove your pride, be teachable, be learnable, be able to listen to what a good mentor is going to tell you. Try to see somebody and accept him as your mentor, not you set up a competition against your mentor. Tell you one thing, you cannot set up a competition against your mentor. The only thing that will happen is you have started to sabotage against yourself. When you say, no, I know it all, I know everything about it, nobody can teach me, I am above being taught, my friend, that day you have started destroying your Forex journey. Why I'm able to tell you this as one big reason why people do fail in Forex, because I've been in Forex for so long, I've passed through all these things. Until the day you take your pride and you slash it on the floor, that day your success in Forex began. Forex and pride does not work together. Forex is a different environment that requires your humility. You are never above being taught, because the Forex chart itself will teach you. But if I tell you, can you sit down in front of your Forex chart for years to learn it and know how exactly it moves? Oh my God, I bet you, you will lose your sight. This is where when we tell you, the best and fastest way to make money in the Forex is to find a good mentor. Find a good mentor, go with humility, listen to what he say or what she say. Do you know why? Because you have seen their good results and you have seen their good work that they have done. that result is what you want to have. They have it. They can give you because they have it. You can never give what you don't have. You will give what you have. What am I trying to say? When I say lower your pride, when we're talking about Forex, lower your pride. Don't be Mr. I know it all. I know everything. I can never be taught. It's a base that will damage you as a Forex trader, because it's never going to make you to move on. Now, second factor that makes you to become a complete losing trader, when you are never taught. You are never taught about the lot size, how to calculate your lot size, how to look at the amount you have in your account, and how to calculate the lot size that is going to be good for that amount. Now, how to spot a good opportunity, because what is making you to lose is when you cannot identify a good opportunity. When opportunity comes, you cannot identify it. So, how are you going to win? You are going to lose, and you are going to blame it on one thing. You're going to blame, you can blame the economy, or blame the news. Blame the news. Or even blame your broker, but you will not like to blame yourself. Okay? Only yourself you will not blame. If you do Forex and you are losing, but you cannot see the blame on yourself, oh, forget it, my friend. Forget it. You are never going anywhere. Forget it. Do this for 10 years. You will never go anywhere, because you are not blaming yourself. Until the day you start to blame yourself in Forex, that is the day you will see changes in your trading. There's something about our brain. The brain. When you do something wrong and you blame yourself, you see, next time you want to do it, the brain is going to come out and tell you, hey, bro, this is what you did last time. Don't do this. If you have done something and you've gone to apologize to somebody, that, hey, I'm sorry, bro. You see, the next time you want to do that thing, the brain is going to come and signal to you, hey, this is what you did that the other time. You remember how that guy almost dealt with you and you apologize? Don't do it again. Don't do it again. You see, this is the way Forex is wired. When you do something, you took a trade somewhere on the chart and you lost it, and you accept your mistake, okay? Your mistake from the bottom of your heart, you accept your mistake. Next time, when you are about to make the same mistake, your brain will identify it and tell you, hey, bro, that is where you took that trade last time. You are going to lose. Don't take it. Don't take it. All these things are the things that is building your own patience in Forex, and your signal. Your signal will start from your brain at first. Your profitable signal will start from your brain. And after you have done 15 years in Forex, you have the knowledge, you will realize that everything from the day one that you got started, your brain have finally helped you to separate the blunders you always commit, and it's holding up to only what is making you to win. Your brain then becomes your signal. Your brain and the Forex chart, they are 100% connected, to the point that if this is not your entry, your brain will tell you don't enter. It will happen to the point that your brain knows the day you are going to enter the market. This is what I said. It will take you 15 years to be like this, to be a trader that is going to be independent, trading for himself, that has the eye to spot a good entry in the market and spot a losing opportunity. You understand? And you're going to be like a trader that is operating on a traffic light. When you're driving your car on the street, you see the traffic light. It's not every traffic light you go. Some tell you to stop and wait. Some tell you to be preparing to wait, you see. And there's one that now stop you. And there's one that tells you to go. That is what your brain is going to be like when you have spent 15 years in Forex. But the base, get your pride away. Pride. When you get pride in Forex, it will never take you anywhere. It's like you are sabotaging yourself. You are making yourself to be blind around the Forex environment. You are blind. Now, that is it for that. Now let me give you bonus analysis of the USD JPY. Thank you, because you watched this video up to this point. This is why you are getting this bonus. Okay, this is on a monthly time frame that we see that is going to 135. Yeah, it's going to 134. Okay, actually on the monthly is going to 135, but let's say we are going to follow it to 134. And this is on a monthly time frame, and this is going to take months to get there. Okay, this 134 is the high, the highest high it is going. And then this is the base trend line on the monthly. And we have seen our RSI above 70 going up. Okay, that's nice. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see what we got now. We have seen the weekly time frame, after a big, huge retracement from this zone. Oh, where is that nonsense? Oh, where are you, bro? Come on, don't play me. A big retracement from this zone. Okay, then we have a breakout. We have a breakout on this zone. That is the breakout. This is the breakout. We have the breakout from this zone. Okay. On the weekly, we have the RSI above 70, which shows we're going up. Then we also have our weekly high. Where is it? The weekly high, 124, which is already broken. The weekly high, 124, already broken. RSI above 70, we're going up. Now, let's go to the daily and see what we got. Now, this is the daily. You can see we are bouncing to the upper side, breaking the weekly high. RSI above 70, we're going up. Monthly, weekly, daily, RSI above 70, we're going up. Then we go back to the 4-hour time frame. Oh, look at the 4-hour time frame. Now, we're going to draw a new trend line for the 4-hour time frame, because this is the 4-hour time frame trend line. Okay, this is it. The 4-hour time frame trend line. This is it. Have you seen it? Then we're going to go find the high of the 4-hour time frame trend line. Oh, this gives us a channel. This gives us a channel. Okay? And we can see the RSI trying to go above 70. So by the time the RSI go above 70, then I think we should then be on the 1 hour trying to look for our entry. This is the 4-hour channel line on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is trying to struggle to go above 70 on the RSI. Then Based on this, we have seen the red line. The red line is the weekly high that has been broken. Okay, so this shows we're going up. What do we need now? We need something that will now tell us when to buy. So if you are the one now, you want to know, you want to find out something that is going to tell you exactly when you're going to buy. Okay, maybe you need one arrow that is going to be a signal arrow that is going to tell you it's time to go and buy. Then I think I will put that arrow link, that arrow that shows you buy and sell. I will put the link under this video so you can take it, apply it on your 1 hour time frame. Whenever it tells you to buy, you buy. Okay, as long as you have this information. Then you can say, okay, maybe you are the one you want to go to join my WhatsApp group, because that is the only group where I share signal to follow up this analysis. You're highly welcome. No, this is Forex. Everybody needs to swallow their pride and do what makes them money. Okay, now think this is time to wrap it up. This is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory. See you in the next video. Thank you.